Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can fix the lack of App Store app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes under the video, and also write your comments after watching. So, let's get started with you and me. First of all friends, if suddenly you can't find the App Store app on your desktop, on your iPhone, first of all, make sure that you have the app active at all. To do that, you'll need to swipe down from the top and then you'll see a search box. Type the word App Store into it. And if you get this sign, it means that the app is active. And in order to bring it to the home screen, you'll need to tap, hold, and then you can just select. Press, and here you can select Add to Home Screen. And now, folks, you can also tap, then edit the home screen and move the app to where you want it to be. So what if you swipe, you type in the word App Store, but the app still doesn't show up? Well, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. This means, friends, that you have this app disabled and not on your desktop screen at all. To fix it, go to Settings. Then select Screen Time. Then scroll down a little bit and select this option. Then go to iTunes and App Store. Then select the very first option and make sure you have the first option enabled here. If you have the second one enabled, then you will just need to switch to the first one. This way, you will enable and activate the App Store app on your screen. After that, you can easily find it either through search or after a few seconds, the app itself will appear on your screen. This is the way, friends, you can fix the lack of App Store app on your iPhone. Don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care.